This tool analyzes your research papers instantly.
Exactly, converting complex notes into an engaging audio overview.
Hello guys, I am glad to come to your way. I am going to show you how AI is changing the whole scenario. If you're a student in Africa, in Ghana, who is already always writing notes, taking notes in lecture hall, struggling to learn them, but I'm here to tell you that there is a solution. AI is changing everything. Stay tuned. My name is Ramson Kabla. My channel is Narrowtech Geo Solution. If today is your first time watching me, you are welcome, and I encourage you to subscribe, encourage you to like my videos, and encourage you to share to your friends. So let's dive deep into today's topic. So what I'm going to teach you today is NotebookLM, which is an AI system that helps students to translate their notes, to translate their lecture notes into audio file. You can translate it into so many forms. So without wasting time, let's dive deep into NotebookLM. Go to Google and just type NotebookLM. I will give the description or the link into the description of the video. So when you just type NotebookLM, you will just come to this point. Okay, now you assume that you have your notes, you have your lecture notes, and you want to convert it to audio. You want to design it differently. So now we are going to create. So when you are here, NotebookLM, when you just enter, you just come to create. Okay, just come to create, and it will ask you, what are you creating? What is your source? Where is your note? So you navigate to bring your note. Okay, in that case, I have my notes there, so I don't need to just for the demonstration, I navigate to bring the note, wait for it to upload. Yeah, so now you have uploaded your lecture notes. You can see it here, and what you can do, you can see a summary of your notes. Here you can see my summary, and you can see your file to the left side over here. You can rename it to whatever name you want to give it. But our task here is to generate an audio file, all right, that you can listen to it wherever you go. You can listen to your lecture notes, you can listen to that audio, whatever you do. So you see to your right, you can see the studio, right? So you come to audio overview, right? So you just click here, audio overview, and it will take a bit of time to generate the audio. But one thing that I can tell you to explore is the quiz. Okay, let's assume you have a quiz, you have your notes, and you want to set questions for yourself, as you usually do. You just come here, quiz, and it will generate a quiz for you, right? So let's just look at what it's giving us. It will generate a quiz for you to practice. Okay, so guys, you have to make good use of the AI age. It has come to help us to learn, to study, to be smart. All right, so as it's generating the quiz, let me see what other thing I can do. You can create reports, right? Don't worry, next time we'll meet, you will talk about these ones into details. Now our focus is to generate the audio. So they are generating, it's taking a bit of time, right? So it's creating the quiz for us, it's creating the audio too for us. So if you are enjoying the video, I will urge you to kindly subscribe to my channel so that I'm motivated to bring you enough of this AI tools that you can use in our studies. So we are okay with the quiz. The quiz has been generated. Let's see the quiz. I hope you guys are ready for the quiz. Yeah, so okay, this is my quiz. So you can see according to the source material, what is the primary reasons opium burning is widespread. So you can see provide A, provide this, So you can examine yourself before you even go to the exam hall, or before you go to whatever you want to do. So this is a good AI tool that you should definitely use them in your studies. Okay, so let's go back to see if our audio is generated. Okay, the audio is still in the process of generating. My name is Ramsey, as I told you. Subscribe to Narrated View Solution, and that will give you enough of the AI tools and what you can use them to achieve. Okay, as the audio is generating, let me show you one other thing, right? If you want to summarize your work, okay, you want to put your work into, let's say, a diagram. You call it mind maps. You just come here, okay? You just come here to mind maps, okay? So I'm showing you 3 key tricks. Mind maps is generating. It has finished generating. Now click on the mind maps. Have you see? Beautiful. You see? Now it takes your work from part to part. It connects them. So the general work is open burning. When you just click on it, you can see it has grouped them into open burning overview. You click here, you will see the definition. You click here, let me push it a bit further. You click here, you see all this. See how nice it is. It is good for we that we want to do, we want to like be able to memorize whatever that you have learned to make, we call it chew and pour, okay, to be able to capture them very, very well. So recommend this to your brother, recommend it to your sister who want to study. So now let's go back to our let's go back to our audio. Let's go back to our audio. Perfect. The audio is done. Okay. Let's listen to it. Let's listen to the audio. This is like a podcast.
Welcome to the deep dive. So, you came to us asking for a clear eyed look at one of the world's most critical but often hidden environmental issues.
Yeah, and a public health catastrophe, really. We're talking about
Yeah.
uncontrolled open waste burning.
Exactly. So, today we are diving into your sources to, cut through the complexity.
So guys, I just hope and believe you are enjoying this tutorial. If you are happy already, you know what you should do. Just click on the subscribe button, share this video, like, comment, give me what you want me to do another tutorial on, that I can do it and bring it to you. Thank you very much. You can download this audio. Okay, let me show you. You can download this your audio. All right, you can download it from here. Okay, just download it as an MP4 and listen to it. You can share it to your colleagues. You can do almost everything with it. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in our next video.